Hi, I'm Sue Walker, and I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon rolls. The ingredients are 1 cup of hot water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of butter, 3 eggs lightly beaten, 4 1/2 cups of flour, 2 packages of active dry yeast, 1/4 cup of tepid warm water, and 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. And for the filling, you will need 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 cup of soft butter. The first step is to proof the yeast. So take your yeast and pour it into 1/4 cup of tepid water and 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix it. Pour the hot water into a large mixing bowl, and to the hot water add the salt, the butter, and the sugar, and mix it together. Let this mixture sit until the butter is melted, and then let it cool. Now we can add the eggs and the yeast. Mix in the flour until completely mixed in. The dough will be very sticky, but don't let that worry you. Cover it and let rise until double. After the dough has risen, punch it down with your hand, cover it with a towel, and place in the refrigerator for a few hours. After the dough is chilled, take the dough out of the bowl and sprinkle with a little flour. Knead the dough a few times until smooth. Take a rolling pin and roll it out into a rectangle. Spread the dough with your soft butter. Now mix the sugars and cinnamon together and sprinkle over the dough. Now I'm going to show you how to roll up the dough. Starting at the edge closest to you, take the dough in your fingers and start rolling it. You want to roll it as tight as you can. Just keep rolling, and if your fingers get too sticky, add a little flour to your fingers and just keep rolling until it's all rolled up. To cut the individual rolls, take a long piece of thread, slide it underneath the roll, and cut your rolls into 1.5 to 2 inch thick slices. Place your rolls in a greased cake pan. Cover your rolls with a towel and let them rise until they're double in size. Bake at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And that is how to make cinnamon rolls.